Hello kids, it's me again, Teacher John, your Science 1 teacher. Today we will learn about, guess what? Okay, can you read this one? Classification of local animals. Again, classification of local animals. Okay, so before we start, I want you to read this one, the next one. What is this? Can you read this one? Okay. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. That's right. So number one, herbivore. Okay, you can read the pasatay too. Number two, carnivore. Carnivore. Number three, omnivore. Omnivore. Number four, legs. Legs. Number five, fins. Fins. Number six, wings. Wings. Number seven, muscles. Muscles. Okay, so now, what is classification of animals? There are various types of local animals. So what are those various types of local animals? Here we go. Some of them are similar and some of them have different. So what are the similars and the different? This is the continuation of our topic last meeting. So now, we can classify the animals by observing the external characteristic. So, observing the external characteristic, what are those characteristics? Whether they are similar or different. Okay, this is interesting. The criteria used for classifying the animals are. So what are those criteria used for classifying the animals are? Number one, for example, the types of food consumed by animals. So what are those? Number one, herbivore. Herbivore. The example of herbivore is the rabbit and the monkey. So why they call these animals a herbivore? Because is an animal that eat plant such as rabbit that eat grass or monkey that eat banana. That's why they call them herbivore. Did you understand? That's right. Okay. Very good. So number two, carnivore. Carnivore. So what is the example of or what kind of animals is carnivore? Yes. Do you know what is this? A lion. Yes. And that's right. It's a frog. So why they call it carnivore? Because is an animal that eat meat such as lion that eats zebras or frog that eats insect. Did you get it? That's right. And number three, omnivore. Omnivore. So what are those examples of omnivore? Do you know what is this and this? Yes, it's a bird. Again, bird. Why they call it omnivore? Because is an animal that eat both plant and meat, such as bird that eat both fruits and insects. That's right. The bird eat fruits and sometimes they eat insects. Did you understand? Okay. So now, animals' organs that used to move, or each animals use its organs to move around differently. Okay, we were going to learn that. Some animals use legs. Do you know what is legs? Very good. Look at the example. This is the legs. And this one too is the legs of the frog. And then the first one is the leg of the horse. And the third one is the leg of the giraffe. Just like your legs. Some animals use the legs to move and to walk. Again, to walk. Just like this. Kind of a monkey. It's look like a gorilla, small gorilla or something. Yes, they walk using their legs. And the elephant too. The elephant using their legs, they can walk. And to run using their legs also. Yes, the dog is running and the buffalo is running using their legs. So what else? To crawl. What is crawling? What kind of animals is crawling when they move? Yes, very good. What kind of animal is that? It's a turtle. The turtle crawling to move. And the snail too. Yeah, that's right. And then to jump. What kind of animals using their legs to jump? Guess what? For example, okay, a kangaroo. Yes, the kangaroo is jumping when they move using their legs. And also the frog. Did you get it? Yes, the frog is jumping too, using their legs. And what else? What's next? Some have wings. Okay, we're talking about wings or wing. What kind of animals have wings? For example, birds like this eagle. And this one, the swan, have wings too. Okay, this is the example of the wings. So, why they use their wings? How, what is the function of the wings? To fly. Again, fly. Yes, the fish is flying. This is the flying fish. So, the flying fish use its wings or wings to fly. And also the bat using their wings to fly also. And usually the eagle or the birds. Yes, the butterfly, dragonfly, they have wings. They use their wings to fly. Did you understand? Okay. And the next one is some have fins. Okay. So what is fins? Yes, that is the fins. So, another example of the fins. Yes, that is the fins too of the small fish. So, what is the uses of the fins? To swim. Very good. Again, swim. That's right. Like this fish, they are swimming, okay, using their fins. And also the penguin too, that kind of wings in the side of it, that is the fins also. Their wings, their fins. They're using it to swim. Yes, very good. And this kind of fish too, the big fish, small fish, they have fins. Okay? All right. What about some animals have no legs? Okay, what kind of animals have no legs? For example, this kind of insect or a worm, they have no legs. And the snail too. Okay. And also the snake, they don't have legs, but they use their muscle to slither or to move. Some of them have no legs and then they use their muscle to move like this. Okay, that is how to the snake to move. They use their muscle to slither. This one is the leech. Okay, they're using their muscle to swim and to move also in the water. Okay, and that's it for today. I hope you learn a lot of our topic. And thank you. See you next meeting. Bye bye.